Emerson, see a dear my moon sember some secasiabo, and some no de bedi market in the pan in same for any bini.
One kind pumpuni man temu, NPP amanyoko aquatnaye, enra, nawaje or mampenny and another danko kufado atum, se undi wenim ewa for 2020 abatu.
What you made dear cronemono, or mampenny and another danko ekufado edin sembi tuja, yedimunche mo ebrem.
Ukopim ewo mrashebejoma, emrashebejwa for adia to muse, eye nyame adumochna, onko atnaye, okoshe ama isi idin church no akoso.
Wo yi si din chwe mu no omo de niema ombehia ene nsem ombe bisa wansa na oma chwe din foforo na ma no omo de atoja ye de nunsu mu nchire mu ebrem kase yi etwa no fa abefo tenten fidie kase so mi che internet uko Facebook ye de mu live Ashtown TV uko Instagram YouTube honso sa ye de mu live afi akenkan form obeti eni wakase mu ye me na abna achimai me ne me wofa
odehye ba kofi ekyo
ye cha ye ho aba ye ba ye de kase ni nchire mu ebeto so
say ye shase de na ye shase afi NPP osno kokoko akache eho ena enra adasemo beka ya de tu manim se NPP amanyoko ekọ atnaye ewo Alisa Hotel na ne nyina ne se okọ akọje omampanyi na nado dankwa akufado ene na bedi eche Dr. Muhammadu Bawumia atum se ondi wani mu afi 2020 abatoni jumadi na se ekukudama okopie mu eye omampanyi dada akofo one ne hokafo afi so omampanyi na nado dankwa akufado ene na bedi eche ne wana hokafo ena afi MPP amanyoko mu mpanyimfo nyina na ne kwakra ne se Electoral Commission abato commission mpanyimfo so ekopie mu ho ehwe se jumadi no ebekoso kama na jumati tire okodi ye pa ene se okoje omampanyi na nado dankwa akufado etum se omeye won Frank Etufo enfama afi 2020 abato
ewo jumadi okone mu no omampanyi na nado dankwa akufado de nsem bi tuja ne nsem a ode tuja ne se oda NPP amayokuo ase so omayi no so omeye okandifo ewo afimpi mienu ne aduonu abato aye ba betui no no so o hye omobo se omanim engu aseda na owie wode nsem bi sa tuja se ai obekosoa ama Dr. Muhammadu Bawumia aye na bedi echire ene sen o se fi se NDC fo kwate Bawumia din keke krampa na ne homo ho popo enti obekosoa ama Bawumia aye na chitaifo na odidi nso se wayi Bawumia so me na chitaifo ide afimpi mienu ne aduonu abato e betu nkunimdie beba beye NPP for edia
who has just been resoundingly acclaimed by the National Council. The man who consistently sends alarm and shivers down the spine of our opponents can, in all humility, lead Ghana and the Ghanaian people to take this giant step forward. Let us work hard together for a great victory on 7th December 2020 and embrace the future and our destiny.
Wojumedi ase omampanyi dada John ajekum kofo enso ede nani onyam ekota akire na bra onya akonya no ne MPP fo etwetwe nkomo no ode tudwa se osre omampanyi na nado danko akufado adaroma onhwe na modern bo a oboye emra atwam no omo ho ban no nkoso ensom oman Ghana na no ena obewie no o kire se ebra na MPP amanyoko hyebo no na ono kana ne yemu hyehye no afise no nim se eye kasehunu bi keke no wakeka na emum emretia wa bi mu no wa hu se anokwa NPP amanyoko oka ode wosie eyoyo.
And if the investment does not come, whether in industrialization or in agriculture or in the services, I tell you there will be no job creation. And we have got teeming youth. We must inspire them with hope, with vision. This leadership doesn't just talk, it does too, it does the work. And I believe this is why Ghana should give NPP. I always say our party is destined to lead in the transformation of the country.
What you made your crown, Omampanyi Nanado Danka Ekufuado, Eshe Marshebe Jaffoya, 2 almost swap or Mudi Chono, or show moon crying. so amontetu omure no no pra we president no wadi ntwoda wa ama na bamu amu okoso apem kopem so odi nkunim na omadi ntwa enye noa no nti okoso achechu omure so omonka omakoma ntu omuyem no owie ye no ena osabo eye oma omunya mrahye bejo omunya nkonya ni bisu no omo bedi se nkonya no ohye omo nso po se omo ya ade pa so metimi akon omanim ababedu sam pempen so we owie no sade to aso se oma protocols no omani so no omo nhye se afe ayedi yenimu enhyehyeye bi omo de begu kwam afa neema bia ho se bia yare bi mpo ne wo ho ana basabasa ye no omo nhye so omo bedi so no mbe ye ne pepepe.
My dear friends and colleagues, this past weekend, our party came to the end of the processes that we have to go through to prepare for the elections in December, with the primaries in constituencies where we have sitting MPs. Unfortunately, in our enthusiasm and sheer unbridled joy, we broke some of the COVID-19 safety protocols. It should not happen again. I congratulate all those who came out winners and have got the opportunity to represent our party at the elections in December. As always happens during elections, there were losers. Many of these people are important personalities in our party and are playing critical roles in Parliament, as are all the others. But those of us in politics know that these things happen. We know that, to use the famous words of our one-time General Secretary, we have to continue to fear delegates. But we will remain firm in our belief that losing one election cannot and does not mean the end of your political life.
Semu na mo bekaya enche bia na de betu manim se abato commission aye na adwen se obetwetwe din foforo ama ehon sem bebre na Supreme Court e de ne nan asi asem no so enam so ema okopiem mo mrahye bedwam a mrahye bedwafo agye atum se ampa sede NPP amanyuko ekoto aba aye omo primary se ekoye a wanko atenaye no saa na osusu se anka ebra ye betwero din so ke yenhwe na anka mrahye bedwam fo nyina enko won pesu ahodo so na wonko se edin atwetwe no ebebem. And I'm so Emma MP for a Soja my constituency. Honorable Thomas Nyako Ampem. Ekasana wache say, Uncle no do say abaye de boy techino. Yemfasa abana and famboba if we say MPP for Eko Twaba. Na say one uncle at Naedia. And yes, EC Eko Trode India. I was say Ubia Econ in Persuaso. And none I'm so Emma MP for Who Central. Honorable Benjamin Podu. And so at was say no cre. If we say a briar to a bandy crampo, Mrashe be your four with Dean Chono. Besi ne dodo na ensi mrahye bedwam ukopiem a otutuo makoma akose sebia brewa na num nyina atutuo it is a ec ebetwero di india ene nkeke omonko ade anka mrahye bedwam so entwentwen so kakra ewo watena yem ema enam so ema Speaker of Parliament Honorable Mike Okwe ene adodo a aka nyina egitum se ampa it ne senti efri nyame adoma ochina 30th June NPP for anase mrahye bedwam for omo nyina enko atena ye edikosi se abato commission ebe wili djuma
wa abato nsem na mu ene atade ya tedene ene sen afa na abewa yi puma kwan mu eye ochina de ya 30th of June ene din foforo aye kwotwe eba so na ese ansa na ye betwere udin foforo no eje se wo ye bisa wo sansem we ansa na yetimi atwere udin eye wa woda ye bebisa wa woda ena baby asese wote ena wo ma me no papa din ye bebisa wo baby a wo free ena wo district kra wom ehon so ye bebisa na yisisi montum adwum kwanda montum na se fa bambo ho nsem se coronavirus montum na kra anase basabasa ye bibe mani musu dia ena enye ho na emom no mo sa de nsem we tu dwa se omo so se wo ba na wo face mask ya yesro wo hye na mamo sanitize on so de eni kwan se wo ja ne fie ebeka se meja ne fie fe no so kan ho bra aside no de bambo nsem de omo de bibi egu akwan mu totin pa edishia eye ochina edi ntwo foforo a ebekoso no
ewe adeshima ma ye nyina isi sense mi so na ye ntwa ye homra ye ba ye beto aso
Emra so see a de kasia ye kan mu pinse mu eto amoso. Monje brey na emfanto amoso. Na ben. And then you see so the name pie mo. Name pie mo pa. Na woni say nyambo e cha na di foforo ye sha ase.
Say Supreme Court akasa. Nti e wo say sha ase nyame adom ochina.
Na isi say bambo hunsam de se pasabasa yo esi wo prime minister but on go to him de. Ye ntu ya adwenu na kwa na bibi say nsi. Na me kwa no na me ka se bia enka isi be prescribe face masks and sanitizer no. E de am ye free.
On say enno na oman no. De bia na me ka say odwen ye mpadwifo na onti ase. Ti say okopie mu omrahye bidwem a ye de mra fofora ba. A ye chese se unhye nose mask a etwa sika pudu bi ato ama se tua. Nanso aban enche nose mask ema obi a. Na aya no me bisa say iti oman Ghana nipa dodo sen ene benya sika e de ato nose mask bi. Ye ma me mo asebi o muti dwa so obi wo kra onye adwuma obi on so okotena adwuma no pa fiti no pa kopema nwumre ye ntɔhwe one city na obenya de akoto adwane ama ne ma no wo se on san nyimu 3 cities enfa nkoto nose mask enfa nhye na wan hye a o metua 120 million no 120 million wo hu bi da
so na mpese bisa asɛmwe emre be ne de semina eni nsuo andara ne wata ya kan emre be ne yusu eno emre be so ne yusu sanitizer
se o hwe enhyehyɛ a WHO anase World Health Organization edigu akwemu na o kyerɛ sɛ senka ubenya anka brano bi afasamana eni nsuo ɛwɔwɔrɔ wasa na emom sɛ okopie mo ba bi a samana eni nsuo eni a ubetime de saa hand sanitizer no so ayɛ den awɔwɔrɔ wasa efiri sɛ saa nneɛma na ɛwɔ sanitizer ni mu no ɛno a bi nso na wɔ samana ni eti sɛ nsuo ne samana eni hɔ de a ubetime ayusu hand sanitizer na so Ghana fo bebre wɔ no mo nim sɛ wahoro ne nsa wie no wansan fa sanitizer mu so a anya hwe there be entesa purpose asamana no ɛyɛ no saa purpose korona na sanitizer ne so ɛyɛ de ɛyɛ it is a when nya samana na wonya sanitizer ne nyina akotogu nhwe
maami bia no pe me ba wose abi ne se wose gina ho na mpese me no di nkomo na oyɛ nsɛm training na wose na no last week of call bank owura bank ho na oyi sanitizer no na wo fa ne nsa security no wogina ho ne say maami ni mpie sa boy ya nzu mo mo de wo hye mo se bisi animu maami ni mpie nko wo hye ne nsa ansa na wo use sanitizer no de ewe was what kind bia security say so wanya wo mani ewe ampa
se eba ne sa na security man no although me nim enhyehyɛ kora ɛwɔ bank ho no man na say adwuma mu na emum se koba ne sa se de maami ne kane no kora security no na me de medi no ho ya efiri se sanitizer no alcohol na ewo mu no there were the same quantity and I said the same chemicals need so was some anymore and also serving the same purpose it James corner na yeku no na emum e bia adwuma ni mu no order ye de ama na se obi aduru a ye ma na wo horo ne nsa saa de ametena se na emum se ko ba se onimu de a ene no medi ne ho ya
because me meaning say sanitizer no cramp de ye ma omo market if you say one and the run what be
ni ho
it is a sanitizer na wo ya say uji scampo ya odi be fa won na ye wo fie no ye use sa
na on say sa protocols yi hu sensem sanitizer ne ade and I know primaries na say NPP primaries na say wo ko hwehwe de pe wa manfo bo manfo kutuku na bia no papai empo ye bobo aba ne wie omo ye mrahye bedwafo omo kotena mrahye bedwam e hye mra say ye ndi sa protocols ne so no ubehu we no abam we se wato ama me ubehu we no opagya ne nsa na we etiem na we yesi sa ne ma ne nyina no endra ebra MPP for ye omo meeting o mampanyi na na do danko for do the assembly to da eye me de bi anya me de wo ba bi o say said ye wo kan ye no na o ka kire mo say e me bi nsi bio show ya hyemra ato ho say when di so a say ene ye fanya na adenti e na omoa kasa ho no omo abumra no so mo ntimi ama mbra na edi omo na mum o se omo hwe na ebi ansi bio matias se de eja ye no sa na tie na hwe ebra omo pon dwuma de mekwa de na nka me etum adwum kura adam baby na mum maame bi asa etwe ma adwun si bi so omampanyi aka asem ade anche so sa da na omampanyi anim me kwa na nso mo pon ye ko mo be mo mampanyin na be de che de kan pie ansa na eja mo ma ka pie ana say ye yom makoma kwa mo pie omo ma break so mo ko didi social distancing eni ho omo pon ye bo nyo mamanfo di asa ebi him omo hanky na o prum no no ana asade ahwansi o ye se wan she nose mask 120 million obi a she face mask yi so plastic enframa na mo chen ene ewura na bi mo she nose mask embra na ndi no o mampanyi ti wo ehwe it is sad we yen sem twere ni den na wo ka fa mo
dia me kwa me pese me ka fa ho so mampanyi kwa wo ka se na on she
wo yi nose mask
eno nanchi teachers ya so mapo school mo ni students musu mo de sa protocols sa ni mani na bi egu akema mo nti wo se teacher ni tradia wo she e wo se student wo no so te class isu ya de wo so she nti so wo mampanyi wo de sa amro enhihye we egu akema ma wo mo na wo mampanyi pe mu wo gina wo kasa wo so bi nhye wa me say sorry to say yare mpanyi fo nya ni
sa
mpanyi fo nya ni even po wenim no hu se bi mu ye chia ye ya wa tu ni de ne je se sankrofo no so bejo 120 million ana
senko be ya se ya tan wasem
ne so mo do mo ni
if you say meeting na se krampo na mo pon ya manfo di asa bi him mo hanki bi bambam nkofo ensemptrefo yi bopini omo na bi pia bi kra wantimi anka hwe ade achi su na ye de omo be ko mara shi ma na se
na ne mesro ma chim 120 million now they are told say obi ya yenjin I was saying so ye jimu bi yensem twafo no if you say wenim ene bi si ye wa kro ya krampo no sa nose mask na we she bi na we she bi student onya dey anope ya kra bi go school e we JHS bi na me hu na me say step na de wo de un she nose mask ni asem o kan so man panyin kra bedwo mo ko man she
wow
na nya wono na wo ko class a wono kra na ono mo ni mo bebi obi efiri ba na ono ba de she
ya ku ya mo ni mo ase o ya ku
ya mo ni mo ase for your leadership by example no ye nye example bi afa nchem kra
na me de ye me ya kra na say what o mo won en se hwe ni bi ansi bio what count 7 ni bi ansi bio na wanim wa social distancing wanim wa ebi kra na me kwana me se omo bedi kan mo mampanyi kura pie no maka se o mampanyi hu ye tie ne yesere ne se wo ntwa na ni no nkɔhwe na mom wanim wa bra ne na ekoso a wo gina ho a wa wani twia wani gan ne yese wa pie wo te ho bi na manfo di asa ebi fam nkɔfo ebi chiachia abra nso a coronavirus aba wa wo se ma ye nchia wo se ye nhye nose mask wo se ye mo ye ho ba na mo se ye o
on say sorry no ka se enipa 100 or 1 na but and rade na ekoso no nipa no mo so 200
some traffic kra go ho krampo no kra wa hwe some traffic pay wa no mu tim akire ho and the cameras ahodo a omo kra mo nru be 20 bu
and na your friend say social distance na okoso and na one na no so mu take one na so mu use
one na no kra de me eboroso kakrampo enso no kra de enfa ne say eja nipa enfom so tumi ba na me ma de ne say social distance enye ba ko nya mienu omo ma break say omo ma break obi anko no munsuo ye wie say betena social distance na
and nothing at times ya na NDC ameyoku mo kan sem bia me de ma adwen mo no if we say mo NPP abai mo na mo say ya we aba mo say aba mo ma ya sa social distancing ye first nose mask unam kwe so nam ko be mo bia aye enso na enkan ya ho abeka ya na mo se sa amra we e dia maye na makwa kwatena ho na mo keka bom say NDC fo ba beka say mo boa yare bi eni ho na masori kruka
na say yare na kra yare na chi o mo no krampo no ma sa ba beka che say me enya bi
na je say yare ni ho
because the room see o sa se ma say enya bi because we share video ya share the nkofo di asa o mampanyi gina ho mampanyi abedi ekire gina ho o mampanyi dada jo na de kunkofo te ho na manfo di asa we ko ha na we fam we abreso o mampanyi say e ma sa asem no ebi nsi na ebi esi bio yo mampanyi de na o ya fam e wo so mampanyi tumi ba no be kire say ade a e course so a metem wo ne say ma ne si bio eno krampo de me fa ne say na normal delegates say bia e wo nkurase ne constituencies abudu na we the national delegates mo regional chairman for omo vice for omo panyin na
na china wo kwanya me e be kan osuwunyaye
osuminyaye
your friends enra na wo she MPs omo enya no mkan or the net there and fat who say, on what you try no weapon say. But maybe say, one need to know what in it yet. Nim 20 and try with the okay, maybe say. So our more Mulusian, MPs no Mulusian, or betting us a bit in a bit. Or man no more or more tea up when you so that now on Mulusian, or betting us a bit in a bit.
And no, I thought there be a nap from a penny that John Dramani Mahama, no young for Foster. What's your opinion? So, you see, whom one will be our boy, it's your palm or circle. And then run on my penny, Visa said, 80 Acuñano, yet the two was said will be Ambran on the sunshine. Because what say, Waka no mistakes, one with your way and from so I to our correct on to say, now yes, I'm a second chance. Acuñan so your sibra boy and home by 18 years old now. Near Robert, no one to me, I have asked Masakusia and no crown chain. Oh, yeah, MP. I said, there was over you went to me, and near 2 ideas. Near 2 ideas were what crown puno, won't mean you could draw some of you. So when you could draw some rubber, you are where you be on your 100, will be 0.
Now, on my new friend, I know a show so no. We're doing China, Yamiado, about the Jewel. One only the president who. On an Aquina, maybe not one answer, and I'm in tears, and any person coordinated any infantry. She said, one only dear. I think so. Statistics 2008 and 2012.
2004.
And I am 2016 or 2 months. But if you are not MP cross, we didn't do.
What's our book?
And it was so cast a wedding child wedding show.
In trade the wedding, name one say penny dear, I was so wishing cranker. Name member Shebega for an Ancas and Moon so or Mumuadia. If we say Okopium or Shebega, a brass speaker of parliament, a tear grandma yet, sharing in I have found, Ube MP no meme and the phone so. Ube or grandpa at 12 man 8 years and Ubi at no 38 years. On car, that's some our king nani a no. On China, Junibia or what?
Mistakes I am. And you can go school, 1 million scanning for 2 months.
That's Traman. Share Obia, yes, wedding show. Wedding show. One hour say, oh, buy also have a song here. Any at what amount. And I feel here, Juma dear, and so and wedding show. A bra, Yasama will answer you. And you could say 7th December, you best have 12. What that's where MP. Now that's where MP, ya 12 wedding show was in wedding 20 Parliament Fresa yet Nasia. Now, and I just said, Akunyana or what's now so Bibinti and what's now. If it's a Sankay and passing an Alberson ya. Wedding to Crampon and Cabay, ye Bibiame who said, a woman wedding to name Mumma Jenna Edda so ye, a woman to him, a big grandpa, a free sabri. At the Copem 7th December, Calbetina for so crying to you maybe at the amount of constituents who want to nine years crampona, shed out to Veronica Bucket CB, hair sanitizer CB, let your chamon say, oh, Cacramina, maybe jam or quiney, F. Your friend Rashabi Gasset Nasia, Uncle, Obaconomu Tuchi, Macoma, was said a blue. Sad ye we, sandy ye we. It's a ye, sempering for a year or some quatsna, baby no one diamo, or more does as by we yet. No, because no school them no one ya. Then I'll be found. Ska
no more the toss out. Because when we say what they are from pa, what they are drinking pa, I did what you who decided many powers cap ramp and nipan about 2 mamma and commonia sadim. Or would escape pian for near to mama, and you see near Mamma Chair or Mojo.
Obedient a bicycle and then. If you scanning in our what did me
so I drink pa, who I drink pa, yes, Christo, no, I drink power. So it's me with the J. Your bonnet. So it is all I drink. Pana would you say, would you say, Metina Kunyani 4 years near my person in my person of the area. Who more biscamba? Nippon show you my power, yeah, whatever first one from now. Most of them would discuss. Nay, say, yeah, and I'm more quite now. I was missing, and I'm prepared.
Sanity, or move on over catch as a parliament, what is she?
Not and maybe even with the as almost will be 500 Ghana cedis or more, and come over.
Come on, Beppany. Naka,
when you bicycle for touching Kawoji.
There you Naka, them crafu boy saying. Check, Naya can so a delegate, I may catch her, may cast in Beatro. Mushe, if it's a obia, yet say Monco, Namonco, Monco, Twab and Fenin penny for Enfamaye, Moko Namoko Jiska. Delegate, now what charge say, and son, I'm a 12 amount, Mamma 500 Ghana cities. Mammy 600 Ghana cedis. A BG agent and punching a flash screen. Not Obia, I say, Cocoa Baku, Ujiska, she. If you say, oh, mine, ye, I can't be near your mind. Ye company for never refuse on so called mine who be. It's a dear old yen. hwe ye if isa temu da ho e de ma obi bia e wasase so adwa pon ye ne yanko ye ni
Chefo ha ena bebe ma kwan amede kase ba ye de beso mu esi na me ka ho se kase ba ye de beso mu ko Facebook a edemu live wo honom oko Instagram YouTube ahon so sa edemu live Ashtown TV afei akenkan fo amote ye no kase mu ye me na na abna agemai me ne me wo fa
o de hye ba kofi akuo
ya damase ema munisha aheno